All right, Kevin, pretty much my fellow Strike Force soldier. This is pretty much for you, so I'm going to do a little bit of sawing just with this one because I got the other one stored. It's about to pour down raining out here and I don't want to be caught. So I got to avoid this little, I don't know, somebody put a chain on something and the tree grew around it, because that part's hanging down there and I still have a little piece right here. So I'm not going to mess with this side. I'm just going to cut it over here. That way I can get it out of the way. But this is my Sears. It's a D-44. 70 cc's, I believe it is. Got a 20-inch bar. And semi-chisel chain. So I'll waste more of your time. I'll go over here, stick this thing on a stump and get busy. Let you see how this thing cuts. So that's just pretty much my playing saw. It's the one I like the most. This is my go-to saw. Does a fine job. This is show you what it is. There it is. Can you see that? God knows it won't focus on it, huh? Well, I guess I'm not too good at this. Oh well. But all it is a D-44 direct drive. Pretty strong saw. Does an excellent job. Carburetor's hiding under here. There she goes. Isn't she cute? So, but pretty much, this is just my little game, my little toys, and just wanted you to get a shot of it before the sky opened up over here. This is severe northeastern North Carolina. It's supposed to be raining for the next 2 days. And I still have to drive back to Georgia. So, you have a wonderful time. Thanks for giving me a chance to just show my toy. And I have to rebuild my McCullough, the carburetor, so I got to get a rebuild kit and do that before because something got stuck in it down in that carb when I was doing all that work out here yesterday. So, but I had to clear out this area. So this is gonna be kind of interesting. I did the backside over there, well, kind of in the middle, and my brother's gonna come out and pick up all the rest of the crap. So, but this is pretty much it. So, no problem. All right, Kev, nice seeing you, brother. Have yourself a good day. And God bless. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.